Welcome to Stats 251. I'm Charles Warburton. I'll be your instructor for this course. So in every day, we try to make a difference, regardless of whether you're an athlete who tries to make a difference in their speed or their strength, or whether you're trying to make a difference in your study skills to get better grades, or maybe you want to make a change in your nutrition so that you can make a difference in how you feel. Maybe you do observe a difference in your speed or your strength or your study skills or your nutrition, but is that change significant? Or is that change just due to chance? Or maybe there's another reason why you experience your change other than the reasons why you thought. In statistics, you try to see if there's a significant difference in what you observed. In this course, you'll learn to detect whether the difference is significant or not significant. I really hope you enjoy this course. I think the course is really useful, and I hope you enjoy learning, and I look forward to learning with you.